pursued a career at sea, working with people from all over the world. Here you see one photo of one of my favorite captains. She was a lady, the only lady captain I had an honor to sail with. And even then, I've noticed that the most enjoyable part of my job was seeing possibilities in a people and then guide them to pursue, to achieve in their career what they're capable of.